Hello guys, in this video we are going to be building a simple JavaScript counter. It will have a button, and then with that button, every time we click, the number on the HTML page should increase by 1. So let's start to create it. First I need to say HTML, and it's going to give me some boilerplate code here. I will just delete the attributes and even the tags that we are not going to be needing, and the title should be JavaScript counter exercise or anything you like. And of course I will add up some simple style. Oops, not like that. Style I need to say, and then I can say body tag, and it should have a background color of light green, and the tags, the content of the page should be aligned to center. And I will also, I will create a paragraph tag, and this paragraph tag should be big actually. I want to be able to see it. And also button should be big, and we'll just say 50 pixel. But instead of writing these two separately, because they are, the effect is the same, so I can just say paragraph and button, put a comma between them, and they should both have 50 pixel size. And that's it for the style. And now we can move on the HTML page to the HTML page, and h1 tag should be counter in JavaScript, and then I should have the paragraph tag here with a simple number of 7, and then I will also create a button. I don't need a name right now, and add 1 to the number. So I guess that's enough for our HTML page, and we can save and see how it looks. Open with, no, yes, Microsoft Edge. So yeah, here as you can see, counter in JavaScript, number 7, add 1 to the number, add 1 to this number. So it doesn't have an effect right now because we haven't added JavaScript code yet. So here I will define, the script tag for JavaScript code. And first I need to target this number here because I'm going to be adding 1 to it. So if it is 7, it should be 8. That's why I will be adding an ID to it with, let's say, value. And now I can target it, document get element by ID and value, and inner HTML is equal to. So as you can see, I am updating the existing value by adding number 1. So then it should be like the same thing plus 1, isn't it? So that's it. It's document get element by ID inner HTML is equal to, again, the same document inner HTML plus 1. We might assume that our code is finished, but it's not yet finished. You will see now why. I will just open it again here. Oh yeah, because I need to wrap this inside a function. So we haven't defined actually the button click function. Add number, and now here we can define add number const add number is equal to empty parentheses and arrow function. Yeah, now we have created our function, and we can add this inside the function so that every time we click on this button, this number here should increase by 1. So let's see if this gonna work. I will just close these lines. Well, you know, I don't understand why it's 71, why it's not 1 but 71. It shouldn't be like that. Yeah, because I haven't saved the file actually. Now, yeah, as you can see right now, it's 7, so let's add 1 if it's gonna be 8. No, it became 71. Another one, 711, 7111. So as you can see, it's not adding up our numbers, but it's just putting it to the right because of the reason that right now JavaScript thinks that the number here is actually not a number, it's a string, it's like a word. So in JavaScript, like in mathematics, as you cannot add two words together, you are just putting them next to each other. So JavaScript now is doing that, is doing this. It's not adding up, but it's just putting them next to each other. So to have that number operation, that addition number operation that we want, we need to convert this number here to a number. Because right now it's a string, so we need to convert this number to a number. To do this, it's actually very simple. We will just be using number function, and we will need to put this inside the number, and now we will replace this with our number. I want to make it visible, but I guess that's, yeah, now maybe you can see it. It's a bit long line, but document get element by ID inner HTML, it's targeting the inner HTML of this paragraph tag, and we are seeing that the existing string, which is this, should be first converted to a number and then be added up 1 with. And now we can save this and it should work like that. So as you can see, it's 7 and 8, 9, 10. Why this happens? Because we have converted this string to a number. We have converted this string, although it looks like a number, although it's a number to us, from the JavaScript perspective, it's a string, it's not a number. So that's why we first converted this string to a number and then added 1 to it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.